I bought this ramp maybe like a couple of weeks ago. It was only $20, and actually I think I paid $25. So I thought it's so cheap and good price, and I use it. It worked. Everything is fine. But 2-3 weeks later, I saw way better good shape than this, and newly painted for $20. So I bought a couple tools and paint, and this is gonna cost me about $45. Sometimes you get the bad deals. So anyway, I just tried to clean the rust, and I bought this paint. It's been, I think, like $7. And this one was expensive. This Milwaukee stuff is super expensive. This one is cost me like $23. It's crazy, but it's just really good stuff. Hopefully in the future I can use this. So I'm gonna clean up more, completely try to make it rust free, and wash it and dry it and then paint it, because there's some dust and dirt on it. Well, let's see. I'll put a little detergent and wash it so paint can hold it a little bit better. I could do a better job, but I did my best. Alright, looks like it dried already. I'll try to clean up as much as I can. Let's see how the paint is gonna hold it or not. I'll put the garbage bag so I don't paint the floor. I'm gonna start behind the ramp so I can practice a little bit, and I will do the front. Let's see. This is our paint. Actually, this is high heat paint. The guy told me this is more tough paint than regular paint, so it doesn't peel. Tough, protective. The original for the high heat. Oh, let's see how it goes. I don't want to finish the paint for the bottom, but it looks like so far so good. Alright, I did one coat, but it doesn't look really good. It's like a matte black. So let's see. I still have a lot in there, so I'm gonna do one more coat. Maybe second coat looks a little bit better. Alright, I did the second coat. It's not perfect, but it's alright. I'm gonna use this to put the ramp inside the I'm gonna use this ramp, use the tractor to put inside the shed until I do some ramp with the gravel. So yeah, and also in the future I can use this to change my car oil, change the oil, especially my land is in a very small town, so you don't want to keep looking the mechanic for the like small things, brakes, change the brake pads, and change the oil. I should be able to do it myself. That's small things. That's it. Alright, it's finished. I finished the whole can. So I don't know. I kind of like matte black, but I think it looks good. The guy in the Home Depot, he told me this paint is way tougher than regular spray paint. So I got this one, and kind of I like the color. It covered the yellow, ugly yellow. I'm not gonna use very often anyway, so just once in a while we're gonna use it. So I don't think it's gonna come out anytime soon, this paint. Mission accomplished. All done. Look nice. I think about like $7 with the tax paint, and then I bought this brush, but I need this all the time anyway, so that's expensive, $23. So like $30 I spent, $20 for the rim is cost me $50, which is brand new, is $50. So it's a bad deal, but once in a while sometimes this happens. Alright, look nice though. Alright guys, see you in the next video.